Hello, this is Quinn from Power Admin. I'm going to show you a very useful tool that you can use when you need to add multiple servers or devices all at the same time. It's called Smart Config. So you can find that under the configuration menu, select Smart Config, and here's our menu. As you can see, there's 4 steps in doing this process. First one, of course, is to identify the servers and devices you want to add. Second step is to configure them with the monitors that you would like to have. And then the third and fourth are easy steps. They're to detect the type of device that it is, and then of course to begin the smart config by adding those servers. So I'm going to use the discovery function in this first step, and I've created a group that I want to add my servers to, and you can select whether you want to have them monitored by the central service or by a satellite, and I'm going to stay with the central service. So we'll click on the discover button, and I know the IP range that I want to use, so I'm going to set those right now, and we're going to say add these by IP address, and then we're going to select the begin search process, and this is going to go out and ping those addresses and start adding them to the left side as possible servers to add. This is going to take a minute or two to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and come back when it's done, and we'll finish up the video. Okay, the search is done. We'll have a list of servers that could possibly be added on the left side, and on the right side would be ones to show if they're already being currently monitored, and you can move them back and forth between each side. So we're going to go ahead and say that we want to select these. I'm going to say OK. And as you can see, it puts those listed in this box here. If you wanted to manually add servers to this, you can get an information pop-up, and it'll tell you how to do that. You can just simply type in the server name. You can even add credentials to be included with those as well. So now we're going to select the how we want the monitors added. Auto config is really nice, where it will detect what kind of server it is, what services, and then add the monitors for that type of server. If you want to be more specific, you can always do customize and then select the monitors from your template library that you have. And you can also block it from being used in auto config, which is a useful way of doing it. But for this demonstration, we're going to use the auto config for this. Step 3 is to go ahead and tell what type of server or device type it is. We're going to leave it as to detect. It probably already knows that it's Windows, so we're just going to leave it like this. And now we're going to go ahead and begin the smart config process by adding those servers to the list, to that group that I created earlier. This will take just a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pause, and I will be right back when they're done. Okay, everyone, I'm back now. Let's go ahead and look at our group, see what we have for our servers. As you can see, they have been added, and it looks like monitors have been added. Some of them have been added but haven't been able to run yet, but they will as soon as their scheduled runtime comes up. So you can see that this is a great tool to be able to add multiple servers and devices at the same time and add monitors to them so that you can get your monitoring up and running. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.